welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. So tonight guys, I'm cooking some frizzy chicken, and it's all drumsticks. Alright, so make sure I wash them properly, I stab up the joints so the season can soak properly, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So enough respect guys, just stay tuned to my YouTube channel, keep supporting the channel guys. Yeah man, that is it, Yeah man, just like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah man. Make sure I clean up them drumsticks properly, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So we're gonna season these drumstick properly, you know what I mean? Yeah man. And marinate, and then I'm gonna cook it down with onions and tomatoes and bell peppers, garlic, etc. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Carrots and Irish potatoes.
You're putting your dad? Cooking? He's gonna be a good cook like him?
Yes.
Your dad is the best. You know that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. He cooks good.
Yeah man, so we have Kyle fresh from Jamaica. And we have Maya, my three daughters, Maya and Mia, fresh from Jamaica. Yeah, so I have to do a lot of cooking now, since the family is here with me. Yeah, man. Yeah man, so guys, you don't know, cooking some frizzy chicken, yeah, drumsticks, straight drumsticks, yeah, just dark meat, legs, otherwise drumsticks.
Are engaged in a sweeping operation aimed at supplying millions of Americans with disinformation. We have no warrants for attempts by authoritarian regimes to exploit our democratic system. The government seized 32 bogus website domains purchased by Russian security services that mirror legitimate news sites.
So clean up the chicken properly, Make sure there's no feathers on the chicken. So I'm gonna season, guys. See, I get some Maggi all-purpose from Jamaica. All-purpose, easy spice. Yeah.
We got the spices?
Yeah.
These are the ones?
Yeah. So cooking turn up tonight, right seasoning them.
On YouTube alone. Officials say Russia's efforts were aimed at supporting divisions here at home, influencing Ukraine policy, and securing Russia's preferred outcome, re-electing Donald Trump.
Yeah, Thomas live in Washington here. Thank you. Next tonight, here the flash flood threatening several states after a rain.
Joe, this, I'm gonna cook this in a different style.
Alright.
Yeah.
I can't wait to eat. I can't wait to eat. You know me.
Yeah. The family love when I cook this one, you know? They love when I cook it this way.
They do?
Yeah. It's called frigizy.
Fricassee?
Yeah, frigizy chicken.
Alright.
Incredible temperatures in the West. Thank you. Overseas tonight into a chilling new video. The Israeli military releasing video of the Hamas tunnel where they say the bodies of 6 hostages were found. It seems entrance to that tunnel is a child's bedroom. Marcus Cohen, Israel tonight.
This is the Hamas tunnel shot for the IDF. Says 6 hostages, including Israeli-American Hirsch Goldberg Poland, were executed. Just 48
because I'm
to
cooking.
72 hours before IDF posted
Are you watching them all?
BBC
Watching them all?
independently verified
When is the budget?
but the
When is
IDF
that budget?
claims access to the tunnel was hidden in what appears to have been a child's
When are you going to go pick it up?
At my brother's house.
standing firm.
I don't know when you're done with it. How long does it take?
It's 12 minutes from here.
Yeah. Cook fast and you go and pick it up. Who baked it?
The White House today tightened up
It's
this week, pushing back, saying
They got it from Kroger?
originally agreed to a daily pay.
But because it's a surprise, you know.
Surprise. You hit it. That's good. That's good. When is your birthday?
It's my mom's birthday.
When is yours?
Oh, December 7th.
Huh?
December 7th.
December 10th? And you'll be what, how old? 28? You don't look 28. You're the one with the baby.
Yes.
You don't look 28. Trust me. Wow. Wow, that's nice. My daughter is started to read. She's either like you. You're looking like a model. Sometimes I wonder whether you people eat food.
We do, but we just burn energy really fast.
Real fast, eh? That's good.
Alright, so the chicken is washed, clean.
Surprise, surprise.
So,
Where do you keep the teacup? Teacup?
What cup?
Teacup? For tea?
Tea?
Yeah.
Oh, tea's right there on the back.
Cup?
Teacups?
Yeah.
alright, so some Maggi all-purpose seasoning.
Cups are here. Are you looking for teacups?
Yes.
You're right here. Cups are here. 4 cups are here. Take that one out. You can use that. How many do you need?
That is it, you know.
The ginger?
Seasoning fresh from Jamaica.
Yeah.
No, I just cut it with the knife.
With a knife?
Yeah.
It is the spice all-purpose. Yeah. Now guys, you know this has a lot of salt in it, so you have to be careful. You know, not too much.
Don't forget to bring the candles. Huh? Don't forget to bring the candles.
The candles. Oh. Okay. I get you.
Yeah, if you do this.
and some Creole all-purpose. I love cook with all-purpose. And some garlic powder. Yeah. Yeah, and some Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning. Trust me, it's gonna be off a chain. Yeah, man, so we're going to rub this in, guys, properly. You know, say I don't know, pretty boy thing we are using no fork and no spoon. Mix it in, you know. I use 10 fingers and 2 hands.
No, I'll go over. Same thing.
Kyle, catch this and see what I'm going. See how it look? That is it, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna prepare the garden seasoning now. Garlic and onion, scallion and thyme.
Different rooms, make them work, it do work for us.
So cutting up the seasoning, the garden seasoning. Cutting up the scallion for the chicken, you know what I mean? Some for the oil, some scotch bonnet for the oil as well.
804 Glendon Drive, Fort Worth, Texas 76120.
So some bell pepper. Tomatoes.
No,
Some
let me-
chili
let this
pepper.
gentleman talk to you is the one who tried to connect to the tip in the bedroom and didn't work. Let me put him on the phone. Hold.
Some carrot. Remember, guys, we don't peel carrot, you know. Just scrape it like this, and then rinse it. Remember, guys, we're cooking frigizy chicken, you know what I mean?
Daddy, what is freaking
Alright, guys, so the pot is hot. Yeah, man. We have some good avocado oil. Yeah, man. Real stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Alright, so we're getting the pot going for the chicken. Remember, we're cooking frigizy chicken. Drumstick. That is it. So we're gonna pan fry it first, guys. No butter, no breaded. You know what I mean? We're just gonna fry it like that. Brown it and then we cook it down with all those garden seasoning. You know what I mean?
Yeah. When you go up there, when you come down here,
That is
when
it.
you go up, you lose it.
Yeah.
So you can.
Alright, guys. So I have my garlic and scotch bonnet pepper and some scallion for the oil. So we're gonna burn this in the oil, guys. That is it, you know. And remember the rules of the kitchen, guys. You clean as you go. Yeah. So store clean, everywhere clean. You see me? That is it. So we're gonna burn this in the oil, guys, before we apply the chicken to it. Alright? That is it. So meantime, I prepare the seasonings, you know. So, my carrots.
The good thing is good for some families, the nutrition come and see. Please. In my house I was, they never tried me. No, they never tried me. I called, they come, they never tried me. I never feel that.
They tell me I leave.
I never tried me. Because those of your services, you need to speak to us. Please. So look, set up the guy. In case they say they're charging, don't send him. Because I'm telling you the same thing I was having it. It was Wi-Fi. They came and they fixed it. They never charged me. They never charged me.
Yeah, let them come.
Okay, I got you. Oh, I understand what you're saying. Okay,
Let them come.
it's okay. Let them come. Yeah. Yes, sir. Everywhere, where I see them. Oh, they move. You are $14, right?
Right, so
Alright, are you going? Hello? Hello? Oh, well. I'll move out from you. What's up, man? What's up, my brother?
yeah, bro.
You took my little cake.
Yeah, man, that is it. So that's the first batch of chicken, drumsticks. Yeah, man. That is it, you know.
That's fine.
That is it, right. You know? So here I have all my garden seasoning and vegetables. So I have some Irish potatoes, some carrot, tomatoes, bell pepper, chili pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme. That is it. And so thyme is the master, you know. Now I cook without the thyme. That is it. So the chicken fry. Yeah, man, we're gonna cook it down with all these seasoning in the pot. You see me I say? So we're gonna brown them in the pot first. And then we call it pan fried. So pan fried chicken. Yeah, man, and then cook it down. And tomato sauce. That is it.